Okay, let's get started.
Now.
When I received the letter that I was getting the foundation scholarship, I immediately called my mom and started crying.
I'm a proud first-gen student. My family and I, we originated from Haiti. My dream is to eventually go to Haiti and just to help out in my little part of the world.
So before I got into the pilot program, I had no idea about aviation. I didn't know how a plane took off. It's really been quite a journey and has challenged me in more ways that I could even imagine.
What keeps me committed is knowing that my 9-year-old daughter is looking at me. I want her to know that if you put your heart and your head into something, that you're just gonna excel.
Being a nursing student requires grit and patience and tact and determination. And going to school at 30 was scary, but here I am now at 34. Almost finished.
This scholarship has impacted my future by being a stepping stone, graduating at WSU Tech, and then getting my bachelor's degree at WSU.
My career goal after finishing LPN, I would like to bridge and get my RN.
I am going to finish graduating this semester. I plan to turn around and then work for WSU Tech as a certified flight instructor.
I would like to say thank you to the donors out there. Receiving the scholarship just gave me a peace of mind.
I would like to say thank you for your generosity and support in my journey.
It's just amazing what WSU Tech has done for me. I'm extremely grateful.